Test number 3. Connect the following letters to form a word. ريع, ريع. دور, دور. ثوب, ث, واو, and ba. Now, if we look at دور, if we remember, we have 6 letters that don't connect to the following letter, and we call this one-way connectors. So these letters cannot connect to the next letter. However, other letters can connect to them. If you see here in ثوب, ث connected to the واو, but واو couldn't connect to the ba. Now here dal couldn't connect to the واو, and واو couldn't connect to the ra, so 3 letters are written as they are with no connection. Also, if you see, the waw here is not a long vowel. Why? Because for any long vowel to act as a long vowel and to give the long sound to the letter before it, it has to be preceded. The letter that comes before it has to have a haraka from the same nature. So the haraka that from the same nature of the waw is the dhamma. We don't have here dhamma, we have fatha. So we can't read it as dur, but we read it as daur. Dur has to have dhamma here. And in this case, if it had dhamma, then the waw here plays as a vowel and pull the dal sound further. So it becomes dur. While here, in this case, the dal has fatha. So this waw is not a long vowel, just a regular letter. Daur. Same thing here. Tha has fatha, and waw, of course, has sukoon. So we don't read it as thub. So waw here is not a long vowel, does not pull the tha further, but it's a regular waw. It's a regular letter. So we read it thawb. Next word, تحت. تا, حاء, تاء. تحت. تحت. دحرج. دال, حاء. Now دال, حاء, راء, جيم. Pay attention to the dal. Dal has a spike above the line. Ra goes under the line. Don't write me the ra like this. This is wrong. If you write it like this, if it has a spike, then it's a dal. It's not a ra anymore. دحرج. And both dal and ra, they don't connect to the next letter. So we see here a space. إبرة. ألف, with همزة مع كسرة باء and راء. إبرة. عربية. Now we have shadda here. عين at the beginning. راء باء ياء تاء مربوطة. شدة over the ياء. Now the تاء مربوطة, of course the ياء is going to change its shape to look like this. And the تاء مربوطة, when it's connected, it looks like this. When it's not connected, like here, because ra cannot connect to the ta marbuta, then we write it like this. So this is ta marbuta connected. This is ta marbuta not connected. And all that because of the ra and the, they don't connect to the next letter. زريبة. ز راء ياء باء تاء مربوطة. درب. دال راء باء درب. غير. غين ياء راء. ربيع. را باء ياء عين. أرز. ألف راء زاي. Or aruz. So since we didn't put harakat, it can be read arz, it can be read aruz. Arz, it means cedar, it's type of trees. Aruz mean rice. So let's put harakat to decide which one is this. Ruz. Aziz. Ain. Za. ياء ز. يعير. عين ياء عين ياء راء. Let's move to the next. Question number 2. Badia. Break apart the words into letters. We have the first one is dawa. We have dal plus waw plus alif plus hamza. We talked about the hamza and we said hamza has too many different ways shape, too many different shapes. It can come over the alif, it can come over the waw, it can come over the ya, but without dots. And as you know, ya can be written like this, it can be written like this if it's connected from both ways. All these are hamza ala ya. They're all hamza, they're just written in a different way. And we're gonna study that when we finish all the alphabet. For now, you just need to know that if you see hamza alone, not over alif, then that's okay. It's not a mistake. دواء, دجاجة, دال plus جيم plus ألف plus جيم plus تاء مربوطة. غريب, غين plus را plus ياء plus باء. بديع, باء plus دال plus ياء plus عين. Next question. Question number 3. Listening. The teacher will read out loud 4 words. Circle the words you hear. So we have the first column, the second column, the third column, and the fourth column. The first column, circle the word دموع. دموع. Now we have here dal at the beginning, and here at the beginning we have da. Da is a heavy dal. So we hear da and we hear da. So this one is a heavy dal. So don't confuse between da and da. So we read this as dumu', we read this as dumu', but it has no meaning. So the correct one is this one. The second column, circle the word hazin. Now we have za here and we have the here, and they're 2 different letters. Za and the. Za sound like z, and the sound like th in the word the. So this is the correct one, hazin. This is wrong. This is wrong. Number 3, zubun. Same thing, zubun. This is the za. This is the. So this is zubun, has no meaning. This is the correct word. Hamada. Again, we have dal and we have da, which is a heavy da. Da. So this is hamada and this is hamada, has no meaning. But we can say hamid, which is da at the end, and we can say hamid, which is da at the end. Let me write them down to show you the difference. We have hamid with da, and we have حامض with ض. Now ض we write it DH. ض. So this is حامد, this is حامض. So this is the correct one, this is wrong. Question number 4. Circle the correct letter and write it in the blank space. حزين. We need the letter that's connected from the back. This is the connected from the back. Also, you need to know the meaning of the word, because حرين, if we choose ra, which is mechanically it can connect, but it has no meaning. So حزين means sad. Sad. Here, we need the letter that stands alone, because alif do not connect to the next letter. Ziya. So we have two possible one. We can add the da, we can add the ra, because both theoretically can fall here to complete the word. But if we choose ra, ra has no meaning. Ziyar has no meaning. So dal is the correct one. Ziyad, it's a name of a person. A name of a person. Third one, Azhar. We need a letter that stands alone, because we have either za or ra. Of course, they don't connect to the next letter. We have alif, doesn't connect to that letter, so we need either this one or this one. But if we put the ra, arhar has no meaning, so we need the za. Azhar. Azhar. Next, farawila. As we said, we need a letter that connects from the back, because this letter cannot connect to the alif. And we have two possible letters, dal and ra. But fadawila has no meaning, so it's not the dal, it's the ra. Farawila, which means strawberry. Next, barid. So we have two candidates here, da and ra. It's not the dal, it's the ra. Barid. The last one is Huzayran, which is the month of June. Month number 6. Also we call it Yonyo, because in Arabic we use two kinda names for the month. Either we call it Syriac name, which is an old names, Kanun Awal, Shubat, Adar, etc. Or the English one, but translated into Arabic as January becomes يناير, February becomes فبراير, etc. So this June becomes يونيو, and in Syriac month is حزيران. So we need the za that connects. Next, question number 5. Circle the words you hear and then break apart all the words into letters. So circle خبيث, which is this one, and circle زيتون, which is this one. Now let's break apart the words. Mim plus ra plus alif plus dal. Azraq, we have alif plus za plus ra plus qaf. Khabith, we have kha plus ba plus ya plus ta. Arnus, we have ain, we have ra, we have noon, we have waw, and we have sin. Zaytun, we have za, we have ya, we have ta, we have waw, and we have noon. Let's now answer question number 6, which is write in the meaning of these words. These are the numbers, but they're mixed. واحد, we're going to write it in Arabic numbers. واحد. We have اثنان. We have ثلاثة. We have أربعة. We have خمسة. We have ستة. We have سبعة. We have ثمانية. We have تسعة. And we have عشرة. The zero in Arabic is a dot.